On December 21, 1974, Presidential Decree Number 620 created the Institute of Labor and Manpower Studies, which oversaw the policy and human resources function of the Department of Labor and Employment by providing the then Ministry of Labor and Employment with technical support in policy making and program implementation. Following the EDSA People Power Revolution, the Institute for Labor and Manpower Studies was abolished by virtue of Executive Order Number 126 by then President Corazon C. Aquino on January 31, 1987. Its research and publications functions were absorbed by the newly created Center for Labor Studies. On July 25, 1987, Executive Order 251 was released, amending EO 126, which elevated the status of the Center for Labor Studies into what is now known as the Institute for Labor Studies. The new status gave the Institute flexibility in responding to the department's need for comprehensive and innovative researches in support of policy decision-making. Barely 2 years after the 1987 Dole-wide reorganization, ILS has made its mark as the department's think tank. The Institute undertook a study on the effectiveness of the department's policies and programs through an evaluation of the regional tripartite consultations, which the Dole established in 1987 in support of the national policy of consultation-based decision-making. Inspired by its vision of becoming the leading institution in labor and employment research and advocacy, ILS continues its commitment to promote good governance through the delivery of innovative, responsible, competent, and cutting-edge research and technical services along the full breadth of policy development process in the Department of Labor and Employment. It is our mission to deliver innovative, relevant, and responsive knowledge products and services on labor and employment through meaningful collaboration and cooperation towards promoting evidence-based policymaking. The Institute for Labor Studies is guided by its core values: integrity, excellence, public service, innovation, compassion. Behind each and every research is a group of keen, talented, and inquisitive civil servants with fresh insights in advocating for the creation of labor policies. These key ILS professionals continue to ensure that the ILS legacy of promoting evidence-based decision-making is evident in each and every study for recommendation and in all research collaborations conducted with all our stakeholders. The ILS has produced more than 500 researches and provided policy recommendations for more than 1,000 legislative bills, which were instrumental in providing guidance in crafting more than 300 laws, administrative, and department orders. The Institute for Labor Studies continues its legacy of being the premier research institute responsive to the needs of the Filipino workforce by providing policy recommendations through research and evidence-based decision-making. We shall realize this by continuously providing opportunities for our people who are at the heart of our work.